Okay, our gaming setup had a lot of RGB stuff in it. Like we have an RGB gaming PC, there's RGB backlighting, we also have an RGB gaming table as well. But there was something missing in my setup, guys, and that is when I knew I had to get an RGB gaming chair. And let me tell you, this video is going to be hell lot of fun. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another awesome video on my channel. So as I've told you just now, you guys might have seen a lot of RGB components like maybe RGB PCs, peripherals and whatnot. But have you ever seen a gaming chair with RGB lighting? Now that is something special to talk about. See, I myself have seen and unboxed a variety of gaming chairs on our channel, guys, but this is something special, guys. Because see, the gaming chair comes with not just simple RGB lighting, the lighting on it can be completely customized using a software as well. That is crazy, right? So this is made by the brand known as GameDeus and the model is called as Achilles E1 RGB gaming chair. Thing is, a couple of days ago, a couple of months ago actually, I bought my RGB gaming table as well from the same brand. If you guys remember, I made a video on that. So I thought, do these people also have an RGB gaming chair? So I did a bit of research and I actually found the model. That was crazy. So I thought I had to get this, and I ordered this gaming chair from this computer store known as Elite Hubs, guys. Elite Hubs is an online computer store that deals with all the computer parts, peripherals, and you'll find all these GameDS products over there. So I ordered it from there itself and it has finally arrived. So in this video, I'll unbox it, assemble it, and finally check out how this RGB gaming chair looks like. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright guys, so here's our brand new RGB gaming chair. It comes in this sort of huge box packaging. There is nothing much written on the box except the GameDS branding and the model of the chair, so we'll directly get started with the unboxing. Guys, as you can see, it's a massive box, right? So I can't do the unboxing alone. That's why I've asked my dad to come and join me and we both will be doing the unboxing together. My dad is also like very interested in this sort of stuff. So as soon as you open the box, we've got the upper half of the chair at the top, which is called the backrest. And the Achilles E1 actually is available in like different color variants. I went with the black and red theme as it matches well with my overall black and red PC setup. Wow, looks nice from my initial impressions. Keeping that aside, we've got a headrest and a lumbar cushion support in the same black and red theme, and this is a 5-legged wheelbase for the chair, completely constructed out of metal. There's also an accessory box over here. We'll get back to this in a moment. And lastly, we've got the lower half of the chair, which is the actual seat, and also two adjustable armrests. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. As usual, the assembling has to be done yourself, which is quite easy actually. But before we get started with that, let me actually show you what else we got in the accessory box. There's a class 4 gas lift, a pack of 5 wheels, a tilt adjust mechanism, a USB extension cable, and lastly a toolkit and a user manual. Now let's get started with the assembling. Assembling a gaming chair is very simple. Anybody can do it at their home. Just follow my video step by step and you'll be able to do it in no time. First step is you need to fix these wheels onto this wheelbase. They're high quality double caster wheels, a total of 5 in number, and have a simple push to fix mechanism. Just take the wheels and fix them firmly on all the 5 corners of the wheelbase. And that's it, you're done with the first step. Next, you need to place a gas lift at the center of the wheelbase, just like this. And that's it, we're done with the bottom section. Next up, let's move on to the actual chair. We'll be installing the armrest handles to this lower half section of the seat. Make sure to check the left and right indications marked on them before you start fixing them. And don't worry about the screws or bolts, you get everything in the accessory box itself. Align the handles properly such that all the screw holes match and use the provided Allen key to tighten up all the screws. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Now we need to install the tilt mechanism. This mechanism is used to adjust the tilt as well as height of the chair, or you can even completely lock it. It goes at the central position and fixes with the help of 4 screws. And make sure to check the alignment direction as well, such that the front arrow indicator matches with the front direction of the seat. Once done with that, you need to place this lower half of the seat on top of the gas lift. There's a hole on the bottom side of the tilt mechanism where you need to insert the gas lift. And there you go, we're almost 60% done with the job. The only main thing left is to fix the backrest of the chair. The backrest goes on top of both the rods over here, just like this, and after that, fix it firmly using the provided screws, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. And that's it guys, we're all done with the assembling part. Finally, just place the headrest cushion at the top and the lumbar support cushion to finish the job. And that's it, our new gaming chair is all set and good to go. Okay guys, so our chair is finally assembled and this is how it looks like. The Game DS Achilles E1 in black and red color combination. So what I'll do is I'll quickly give you all a closer look at the chair and then tell you about the design, the build quality and the finishing. And then we'll talk about the comfort. The Achilles E1 has an ergonomic design with a two-tone color finish and looks quite attractive from our first look. The chair looks exactly like a seat pulled straight out of a sports car. The material used is also pretty good. The whole cushioning is covered in a leather-like PU material, and as mentioned earlier, the chair is available in multiple color variants. The one we have right now is a black and red variant. The build quality of the chair is nice. Top to bottom, the chair has a steel construction on the inside, and even the wheelbase looks pretty strong and is made of metal. And this is how the Achilles chair looks from the backside. It has a complete sporty feel with the Game DS branding at the top. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the load capacity, right? This chair can take a maximum load of up to 200 kgs and is fully adjustable, which I'll be talking about in a moment. Only thing I have to mention over here is the outer PU material doesn't have any breathable holes on it, so it's not perforated, and that might make you feel a bit sweaty on long sessions of usage. But I do have to tell you the fabric stitching quality is pretty good on the chair. Great attention given to the details. See, the overall build quality of the chair is very good, but I have to mention that the product lacks a bit of finesse. I mean, have a look at this. The outer material looks a bit unevenly stitched over here. It's smooth and perfect on one side, but not proper on the left. The brand definitely needs to have a look into this and improve their finesse and quality control. Keeping all of that aside, if you all are wondering where the RGB lighting on the chair is, well, here you go. The chair has a beautiful RGB lighting just behind the slots near the headrest. There's a USB cable that actually comes out of the chair at the backside. You just need to connect a power bank to it and boom, the lights start glowing. The RGB lighting on the chair looks absolutely beautiful, especially in low light. By default, it's got a rainbow spiral kind of effect going on, but by connecting it to your PC and using a compatible software, you can easily customize it and even change the lighting effects. One more thing I have to mention over here is there is no option or button to change the brightness or the speed of the LED lights. Anyways, you still have to appreciate the fact that you've got RGB running on your chair. Alright, so till now we've discussed about the design and the build quality, right? Now let me just sit on the chair and tell you about the comfort. Okay. Ah, this actually feels pretty nice. Okay, so Achilles E1 is a mid-range category gaming chair, guys, and let me tell you, for the price, it's actually offering like nice level of comfort. The chair has like good cushioning on both the lower half of the seat as well as the backrest. The cushioning feels soft and spongy and has thick level of padding that offers you like great level of comfort experience for the price that you're paying. And not only that, the chair is like completely adjustable. You can adjust a lot of things on it. So starting with the hands, guys, these are the 2D armrests. That means you can adjust them in two directions. One is you can adjust the height as well as the position. If you talk about the armrests, guys, armrests are like perfectly fine for your hands. Like they're designed in the shape of your hands only, so that also feels pretty nice when you put your hands on it. And you can adjust the position as well like this. And you can, if you want to adjust the height, there's a small lever to the side which you need to press, and you can go down and go up as per your comfort height level. So that I'll leave that up to you. And if you talk about the other things, see, as usual, all the gaming chairs have this reclinability feature, right? There's a handle over here which you need to lift and put your weight on the backrest to go back, just like this. You can recline up to 150 degrees in angle, guys. See, this is mainly beneficial like if you're on long sessions of gaming or work and you want to take a small break or a nap, you don't need to move actually from this chair. Just go back, recline it up to this degree of angle and just relax and have a nap. That's it. Feels quite comfortable. You can easily relax like this. Yeah. Okay, let me get back to my position. I don't want to take a nap right now. So that was about reclinability. And not only that, you can even adjust the height of the chair. There's a small lever on the bottom over here using which you can, adjust the height. Just push it up to go down. And this is the maximum height the chair can offer. And this is the lowest. Pretty simple, right? So yeah, these were all the available adjustments and customizations on this chair. And not only that, I forgot to mention about the headrest and the lumbar cushion support. These are also adjustable. You can change the position as per your convenience. So that's it guys, that was my video on this beautiful RGB gaming chair from GameDS, the Keeley C1. It's a good gaming chair, looks stylish with a sporty feel, build quality is good, offers nice comfortable experience, and the best part is it's got customizable RGB lighting. Only thing is the chair lacks a bit of finesse as mentioned before. I'm not sure if it's just with my unit, but anyways the brand should work a bit on their quality control. The Keeley Z1 costs around like 16,000 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.